lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing wig without closure or frontal. So right now we're cutting into 4 parts. So right now I'll be picking some strands so it will look slim at the tip. Right now we're combing. This is my hair cream. I'm going to go ahead to apply my hair cream. I'm going to comb again, make sure it's smooth. You see how smooth it is. So I'll go ahead to cut the hair, the attachment into little parts. Okay, like this. So I'm going to use this flexi rod in wrapping it. You fold it into 2 equal parts like this. Then you're going to wrap it like this. Can you see this? This is another method in wrapping this. So you're going to place it in the middle of this flexi rod like this, and then you twist. Make sure it's very tight. If it's not tight enough, you will not be able to get the colors. So this is why I always like to pick my attachments. Okay, so you can get this little strands, so you'll be able to wrap it round, and this is it. Then you come back to this other side and keep wrapping. This is how this turns out. So right now I'll be adding my conditioner. This is Petals Instant Hair Conditioner. You can use any type of hair conditioner you like. This is enough. So right now I'm going to mix the conditioner with hot water. So I'm going to stir. Okay. And I'll make sure the water is enough. Leave for like 1 minute. So right now we're going to unravel and see how it turned out. Wow, you see? So don't allow this to get dry before separating them, okay, because the water will make it to be smooth. So what you're going to do right now is to cut the tip. This will make it not to tangle much. So you just cut the teeth like this, so you can easily separate them. Wow, look at the coils. This is my crochet pin.